just wanted to take a second and introduce myself. My name again is Roger, and I'm the founder of Leathersmiths. A sofa, a chair, recliner, and an ottoman that's going to get a full restoration. It's begun to sun fade on the arms. It's losing color on the seat and on the edges. The ottoman is also having some color issues. We've got some scratches here. Here on the chair, we actually have some more significant color loss here on the arms. And you can see some scratch marks here. So this is day one, is this swatch right here off of the deck to get our color match. Okay, great. Well, we will see you at the end of the day.